She sits at the desk. I am in the room. It is on the table. As you understand, today our subject will be at, in, on prepositions. At, in, on prepositions are a little bit complex in English, but they are so easy in Turkish. Instead of at, in, on, we use de or da. That much simple. Let's translate the sentences which I gave you at the beginning of the video. She sits at the desk. Desk means sıra. In this sentence, at the desk means sırada. I am in the room. Room means oda. In this sentence, in the room means odada. It is on the table. Table means masa. In this sentence, on the table means masada. Let me give you one more example with de as well. He is waiting you in the bus. Bus means otobüs. In this sentence, in the bus means otobüste. So, what is the rule? How are you gonna understand which is de, which is da? Do you remember vowels? The vowels are separated two parts in Turkish. A, I, O, U are hard vowels and E, I, Ö, Ü are soft vowels. If a Turkish word ends with one of soft vowels, we are using de. And if a Turkish word ends with one of hard vowels, we are using da. Of course, there are some exceptions. For example, in English you say, the postman comes on Wednesday. In this sentence, postman means postacı. Comes means gelir. Wednesday means çarşamba. We built this sentence in Turkish like that. Postacı çarşamba gelir. As you see, in this sentence, there is no de or da. You encounter that kind of sentences rarely, but you can learn them in the time. For the beginning, no need to learn that kind of details, but in the future lessons, we will learn and use them with examples. We came to the end of this lesson. We will learn the other prepositions in next lessons. Don't forget to put like, subscribe, and turn your notifications on. See you in next lesson.